everyone, it's Angie with the Mountain Girl Studio, and I'm coming today with a little package I just got in the mail. And this is from my friend Kat with Lolly Thimble. She used to have a YouTube channel, but I don't think she's reactivated again, which is, I totally get that. But she does have an Etsy shop, so if you guys would be also kind to go over there and follow her Etsy shop. So it's Lolly Thimble on Etsy, and then she sells all kinds of stuff here, as you can, sorry for the glare, guys. As you can see, all kinds of vintage stuff, really cool stuff from A to Z. Ooh, look at those. There's some numbers in there. I know, right? Numbers. Anyways, so if you go over there and heart her shop, I'm sure she would gladly appreciate it. And anyways, so I don't get to my post office very often, probably once a week or a little week and a half. It's a ways down the road, but anyways, so I did get to my P.O. box the other day, and I found this in the mail. Had no ideas. Thank you so much, Kat. You're beyond generous, and you're always having fun little surprises in the mail for not just I, but many of your other friends, and I thank you and appreciate you so much, and I hope you're doing well. So I hope this is catching up. It was kind of lagging there. Anyways, so this was kind of heavy and shaky, and I kind of have an idea, but I'm not quite sure. So anyways, I'm super excited to open it. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look. What? Cat. Oh my gosh, you must have saw my thing on Facebook. I totally wanted to collect a bunch of stuff, but here's a little card here. And I'm going to read this off camera, but I wanted to show you. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. She does the most amazing cards. Every time she sends me a card, it's not just a simple card. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. So, oh, thank you so much. Oh, I appreciate it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, oh my gosh. Look at these, you guys. Oh my gosh. I was hoping it wasn't like something like really important and then it was in a zillion pieces. Look at this, you guys. Like I said, this is the kind of stuff she sells at her shop, and they're going to have to excuse the little noise, but I love these crunchy bags, so you guys all get that, right, with these crunchy bags. So this is going to be a loud peek through. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. So I'm, very into junk journaling, and I'm, kind of have a different style the way I'm doing mine, especially just with the covers pretty much. But I love adding really cool elements on the front of it. I've been painting my covers. Not all of them are ever going to be like that. I like to change it up, but right now I'm really into that. And look at this little cool book right here. Sorry, I got distracted. Look at all this stuff, you guys. Okay, let's pour this one out too. Oh my gosh. This is like beyond amazing. It's kind of already split here, so sorry guys. Oh my gosh. Look at all this, Cat. You did not have to, but thank you so much. Oh, I love trees. It is so nature. And she is so in tune with making things so special, because I'm kind of like the same way. I really like to personalize things. Look at that, you guys. Look how cool that is. There's a little book in there, a little Bible. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to mess with that later. Thank you. This is really, oh, here we go. Holy cow, look at that book. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, this is so cool. That is the neatest little thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at hinges. Yes, I collect hinges. Look at this old hinge. I love that brass hinge. That's so cool. Yay. Old jewelry. Yep. Everything works. It doesn't matter. Look at this, you guys. An old pool. Oh, I love this one too. I love these kind of pools too. And you can put a word in here. How cool is that? Oh, she gave me a couple of them. Thank you. Oh, I love these. Oh my god. Love sayings, quotes, and words. Look at that little latch. That is really cool. And this cute little mirror. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. These are cool. These are like acrylic. Kind of reminds me of Twilight too, right, with the apple. Oh my gosh, look at this hair comb. Oh wow, look at that, you guys. That is so cool. Oh, it's like a brooch. Oh my gosh, look at that one. I love this. My computer's like glitching. For some reason it just... Okay, hopefully it works. I stopped here. Went back a little bit, but there's like this little cool thing, and I was showing the bottle caps, and I was stopped here. Look at this cool hinge, you guys. Look at the scalloped edges. I love hinges. I get so inspired by old doors. I've said this several times. Like, people are asking me about my painted journals, and I just love, like, you get those layers of old chippy paint. I'll have to put a picture, excuse me, here on the end of one of my old doors I have in the cabin that I want to turn into a, like, kind of like a girly kind of cabin, and rustic and grungy and studio. But anyways, there's this amazing, there's 2 doors on there. I'll never get rid of them. And anyways, yeah, I'll show you that. So there's some more of those. Look at this cool bird cage, you guys. Oh my gosh, and she filled it with a bunch of Tim Holtz tokens. And I love numbers. Thank you so much for all this. This stuff will all get a nice rusty bath. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love journals. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my god, imitation strawberry soda with a cork in there. How cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, you must have so much fun finding cool stuff like this. I absolutely love that. Lime soda, these are super cool. Some filigrees, some more hair pens. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is so cool. It's like a bird with a bird cage. Oh my gosh, I love this. Like I said, my favorite number is 5. But I love numbers. I love numbers. I love letters. I love sayings. And I have a few of these, and I have hoarded these, you guys. Thank you so much for gifting me yours. These are super cool. These are Tim Holtz lanterns. I have a few of these, but they're super cool. And I love them, so now I can kind of use them, I guess. That's kind of telling me I need to use them. Oh, look at this pull, you guys. These drawer pulls. Oh my god. And it just keeps going. I'm making sure my thing isn't going to pause. That pull bike. Oh, look at these type. These are so cool. These... And letters. Look at that, you guys. Some jewelry making pieces. I love that. Look at this belt. I love belt clips. So cool to make faux belts as well. Oh my gosh, Kat. These are amazing. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have a really hard time using these. How cool is that little bird? Another cross. Look at that. I love how it's like matte finish. That's really cool. Another frame and some more numbers. Oh my gosh, look at that. Is that cool? And it's metal too. Oh, I love these ones. These are so neat. Oh, I see a 5 in here. Look at you guys. There's my 5. I don't know. Do you guys have numbers and, I don't know, symbols and stuff that speak to you? I don't know. I just love them. Like I was saying that if I had to pick a letter, it'd probably be G, because I like the way G looks. Look at that. And that is just so cool. Look at this cool bird cage. That is so neat. Thank you so much for sharing your stash with me. And I got a second one, you guys. This little circus bear. That is so cool. I absolutely love it. Look at it. It has like findings like I use. And it's so inspirational to recreate something like that. Isn't that really neat? I got some really cool stuff from my father-in-law. He's a fishing guide and whatnot. But he... gave me all of his really rusty vintage fishing stuff. I will use anything in a journal, especially for dangles. That's kind of mostly what I'm after. And then like maybe making a collage for the front cover. And he was generous enough to give me everything rusty. And I'll have to show you guys that one day. And I got a third one, you guys. Look how cool. Thank you. And some more buckles. I love the buckles. Ugh, and these danglies. Those will rust so cool. And you can just hang some more things off of those. I love the birds. I love nature. I know I talk about that stuff so much. But I really do. I love nature. I get so inspired by nature. And old things and paint. Ever since I was little, I used to collect rocks. My grandpa worked in the mines, underground mines, and he used to collect rocks, and I really was fascinated with them. I think it was just the color and the feel and the texture, and it's just nature. Oh, I like Halloween too. Look at these, some more Tim Holtz swivels, and a ton of his tokens. Thank you so much. I tend to kind of hoard my numbers, but no more. And I love the clock arms. Thank you so much, Kat. This is completely, this is me right here. I mean, like, this is like a complete little treasure chest. Thank you so, so much. And I appreciate it. I'm always looking for, you know, not just junk, because I don't really call this junk, because I use it. Rusty stuff, nails, screws, washers, keys. I mean, you name it. Like, this is amazing. Like, could you imagine this, putting this in a cute little rusty trunk and just flipping through it? Anyways, I think my camera has some glitching again, obviously. Oh my goodness, sorry you guys. I will sit still. Anyways, thank you so much for taking the time and watching this little box of goodies. Thank you so much, Kat. And like I said, if you do not follow her on Etsy, please go over there and follow her. She is amazing, and she has an amazing story, and that is Lolly Thimble, and she goes by Kat. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful day and enjoying their summer the best way they can, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.